So I guess I'll just show you the room now. Yeah, let's do that.
Meet the Mitchell family.
Good morning, everybody. I am in the middle of making breakfast. It's been a very busy morning. I'm off to a very late start. But I'm taking all of our kind of bread that's about to, it's not as fresh as it should be. Like we have some leftover hot dog bread, some leftover rolls, stuff like this. And I'm just gonna make some French toast. Yeah, so making up a little custard here, which is just some milk, some eggs, sugar, cinnamon, vanilla. And yeah, and then I'm gonna put the muffin tins, put in the oven, and that's that. Happy Sunday, y'all. So that is done. Guys, the office is ready. Literally, we have been working on it tirelessly over the last couple days. As you guys know, we left you off on Thursday. Would have been the last time you would have heard from me about the office, and we spent all of Friday and all of Saturday working on it. The guys were here till late last night helping me to build the desks. Wade and I did the chairs. We had to install the shelves. It was a whole thing. Also, Momo is off this weekend, which kind of made it even a little more stressful, but we called in for some backup. So Auntie Cheryl, who's actually been working with our family for, I don't know, the last 9 months or so, she came in and saved the day and is with us for this weekend while we try and get everything done upstairs so that we can have more hands on deck. So I'm really grateful for that. So big up yourself, Auntie Cher, who is helping us out this weekend in a big way. Helps us out all the time, but especially this weekend. That might be a surprise to some of you because you guys never see her, but we're doing our best to maintain privacy where people want it. And yeah, it's okay for me to big her up though and say hi. So yes. Okay, I am going to wake up Wayne. I wonder if I should just show you the room now. Do you remember what Steven used to look like? We still have a lot of cleaning to do upstairs, but the room is ready, the office is ready. It is beautiful. Everything I could have dreamed of. And I'll take you for a little tour later. So I guess I'll just show you the room now. Yeah, let's do that. Alright, we're gonna show, well, the
There's
two
a
little
mat.
ones, but Atlas didn't see it last night. Wait, do you want to film or should I
There's
film?
a mat and the table is at the side.
Wait there,
and
I'll
the
tell you when to come in. Wait there. What do you think?
Awesome!
Nice, right?
You can even sit here with the desk.
Okay.
Is this a vacuum?
Yes, it is. We've been cleaning.
Oh, are you
What do you think?
Gio! I love it. It's Gio! It's Gio!
You see all of the pictures of all of us?
Yep.
So you guys like it then?
Yes!
Alright. Get out!
I do have homework to do. So can I bring it up here and do it right
Maybe.
now?
Oh, we have to show MTM also what all of your homework and hard work paid off for you.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, when I come downstairs.
Just throw back to the footage of when we.
No!
You filmed that?
I think so.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
What?
Gold standard.
Oh no! Gold standard!
Yes!
And what is this?
That breast
You came 16? That's amazing!
I know.
Dude,
When me
that's awesome.
That
Just.
Gold standard badge!
Yes, mom.
High five!
Awesome.
What are these? Are these tattoos?
Yo, you wear this all week, bro. Wow!
Are you kidding?
Gold
Are
standard.
you
That
kidding
means
me?
that's not the normal honor roll. He makes honor roll a
I'm
lot.
going to show
But is it the
you
first time with the gold standard?
It is.
Yes.
What
Oh,
is
that's
what have we
awesome.
gold standard again?
I think it's academic behavior, just behavior and all.
yes.
Yeah.
Well done. Proud of
Mommy!
you, baby. Ozzy! That's amazing! High five! What about you, Agnes?
So guys, there you have it. Jackson is achieving great things, and Atlas was not to be overshadowed. Atlas did very well in his exams as well.
Amazing.
Yeah.
They're 80s and 90s.
Their 80s and 90s.
I know
So-
he's a wiggly tooth.
So Atlas have a wiggly tooth. Alright, speaking of doing very well, the curtains came down on the boys and girls champs last night, and it was awesome to see the fireworks from here. You could see the fireworks going off. One big fireworks show. Big up Grace Kennedy for always throwing their weight behind boys and girls champs too. I want to say a special big up to Hydale Group of Schools for winning champs for the first time, winning girls champs for the very first time, and that is a big achievement. I remember Hyacinth Bennett was my prep school principal, right? And then she left Wolmer's and started Hydale. So when she started Hydale now, this would have been one of the big expansive dreams for her and Corey Bennett. Wow. Corey Bennett is her son, who we went to school with too. So Corey not only loved track and field, but guess what, Tami? He mastered athletics and started to coach. Wow. So Corey is the coach, coaching these girls, breaking records. And so I want to big up Corey and big up the Hydale School for winning champs for the first time. That's a big deal. That's a big deal.
Hey,
look who wake
Choo-choo, baby.
Look who wake
I'm the choo-choo baby boy.
This is a 12-month shirt?
Is she a choo-choo Charlo girl?
Yes, this morning Ozzy came in and he goes, "Hey, my precious girl.
She's the mom.
Hey, my precious girl.
Hi, precious girl.
She says she's the
Ready for some milky? Mosquito bite her.
like us.
That's it. Here, Daddy.
She's the
Piece of
dada.
the sweetness.
Yeah. Can I have some more ding ding? No, that's
Come, Bookie,
pizza
come.
ding ding.
Come to daddy. Come.
I want pizza. Is she a choo-choo Charlo baby girl?
If you say so.
Let's eat.
Hey, Mumsy.
Yum, 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 yum. Here, you get
Hey, Mumsy.
Pops is here and I'm gonna show him. Hold on, Daddy, I have to set it up. Don't come yet. Picnic them coming here, you know. And them mash up the place already. Let me just put this back here, so. Something fall off of the shelf and broke, people. Bare thing are going into the place from there.
Close cover.
You look goody?
Wow. This is great.
Yeah. The only thing them miss out is my one picture of me they printed you on Ivy. I don't get it.
Oh
That's
man.
to sort it out.
This is good. Hey,
Nice,
look at that. Hey, make a sunlight. Wow, this is good, Tom.
Everybody's
the chairs
avoiding
are
walking
great.
on here. Yes.
These
Try it, sit on it.
No, I know these chairs are great.
What's it in it?
Close cover.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And the headrest you could make it that it go up for
Oh
you.
man, where my bed is?
Sure.
This is nice.
My baby.
Yeah.
Yes, look at that.
As you said, that's in baby girl.
So guys, we're about to head out on the road. But let me tell you something. As a homeowner, as a young homeowner, you never know what to expect, where things just happen out of the blue sometimes that you can't plan for, never see it coming. The thing that happened out of the blue is that we have a bus pipe out by the front of our house, and NWC Water Commission had to come and sort it out today. We never expected them, so whole heap of big work are going out of front. So you want to see water spray up and beer thing, but they patch it and everything and big chopped out the road, and you know what I'm saying? Them a do them thing. So thanks to the NWC for getting on the case and dealing with it before it got worse and worse and worse. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Alright, Dad. Daddy, come, Dad.
We're soon ready. We're soon ready.
They're digging up the road. They're digging up the road. Hi. Jackson. Hi. Jackson.
Hi, who wants that about hi?
Jackson.
What does you know about hi?
I want to know what's for
Hi.
dinner.
Pot stickers. Pot stickers.
Okay, what do I normally do to pot stickers again, guys? I can't remember what I serve it with.
What?
So like I do
soy
pot
sauce.
sticker. No, I know, but it's rice and fat chung and salsa.
Mommy.
Yes.
Let's play I Spy.
Okay, and broccoli. We could do some broccoli. Atlas, will you make the broccoli?
Oh, I love broccoli.
Okay.
Especially when it's seasoned.
Okay, let's play I Spy.
Okay,
I
that's what we
Spy
need.
with my little eyes. Something black.
The truck.
Let's see. What the? This boy first try hard to get it? Boy.
I said the seat. Just kidding. That truck. Mom got it right.
Whatever.
I spy.
Hold
Oh,
on,
no,
guys,
Mom.
guys, I need to talk. We
I
have.
Spy with my. I Spy my little
I'm
eyes.
so
Something
over
blue.
them. Imagine,
Why
right?
don't you just leave them?
Imagine me, I try edit
This.
upstairs. Everybody follow
This
me.
the pond.
Upstairs.
The pond.
You go downstairs and follow me downstairs. So I say, well, everybody just follow me go to supermarket then.
The eye protection.
You ever
Alright.
see them goat there where I walk for a road?
Oh, that.
You know if I run goat? I bet you don't know if I run goat. No.
What? Then what?
That's how you call
It was
post.
behind us.
No, you can't show.
You run
can't show
goat like
them
this.
It was the
there.
eye protection.
Oh, you know that? You ever run goat yet?
I'm gonna tell you how I know.
Get Wendy's with a burger.
Hold on. What? Listen to man. Shh. When I used to live, remember the same house I was telling you about the other day, where Winsome used to live too? We used to have one hedge that was all grass. And one thing about Mr. Mitchum used to hate. And I said, is it Uncle Ronson? Hi, Uncle Ronson!
Well, go on.
Great.
Big up.
Anyway, one thing he used to hate was goat, and he used to come to the hedge and
We went to get
I saw all the way for run to the thing there and start going shh, and they
Alive.
run. Yeah, so
You
that's
know,
how I
say-
know how to run goat.
There's an illegal goat farm somewhere in a Paddington area. That's how we see the most goat uptown. Me
Yeah.
not gonna tell you no lie. Somebody have a goat farm
Round
in
there.
a Paddington side there, sir.
Careful.
How am I there?
You see nearly like the something.
I can't see it.
My God. So that's why you run goat. And if that never work, if it did run out, they would have mashed it.
Wait, mommy, did Uncle Ranton get a haircut?
I don't know, I guess.
My shade for do I turn them in a curry goat and a mutton.
Alright. Hold on, guys. Listen, we need ground rules. Ready? Who just screaming at me here? Listen, if anybody give me any trouble in there, you're coming straight back to the car with your father. Do you hear me? Secondly, nobody asks for any sweets. Do you understand me? Say yes, mom.
Yes.
So not only come out for sweetie?
Yo, that's what I tell you, say.
We're better than just stay in the car.
No, you said we were going to get pumpkin pie and we never got it. So
They're out. I went to look for it yesterday and they were done.
can we just get?
I be a promise you make it.
Well then, can we just get candy now? Yeah,
No.
just one piece of candy to make up for it to fulfill.
This is why I didn't want to take in, and this is why I did not want to take anybody. This is
Mommy,
why.
by the way, you're only supposed to
I
say
know
me,
what
but
should
I
I
was
brought.
Ivy.
I was willing for.
Ivy's at home with Auntie Cher, so.
Oh my God!
Alright, let's go. You see, I can't take the madness. Wayne, we could just do this and go. Are you ready for dinner?
Hi, Auntie Shannon.
This is my bad angle.
Whatever. You never have no far cheek or far chong.
No far chunk today.
Alright, and
But
then
we
what?
have pot stickers
Pot stickers, what they?
and we have
Okay.
broccoli,
And broccoli.
which Atlas helped me to make.
There we
So,
go. Easy
the truth
peasy.
is that once Atlas helps me to make the food, he's 10 times more likely to eat the food.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Jackson went on the road with Auntie Tessie.
Yes. Guys, we are in the office. I cannot believe that we made it, honestly. And it has just, I said to Shannon today that the most amazing part of this whole thing, and every time that we do a change to our home, big or small, it is not lost on me. It's not lost on us. And we remember days when we used to dream of having these spaces and taking our time and kind of cutting and go through room by room by room is just amazing. I think we've vlogged now for almost 3 years, and this is the first time this space has been usable as part of our vlogging space.
Yeah, it's true. I feel a sense of accomplishment and triumph for doing, because we did dream up this space. We had been visioning making it a functional space for years. Years upon years. And finally the day has come when we can sit in here. You have your laptop over there, so your liquor juice here, so you know what I mean, with the door closed, we can barely hear the boys. It's cool, it's nice, it's just a joy.
It's a joy. And you know what, guys? It's such a sign of the times that we've grown up, because this used to be a den. It used to be where we used to have a TV and we used to play football with his friends up here, and we used to, like we used to watch movies up here. It's just a sign of the times that now it's like, we needed a space where we could focus, work, brainstorm, figure things out, really dedicate time back into what we do in an organized and inspiring space. Can we talk about this space? First of all, what a good call on the big window. I was against the big window because, all I could see was busting through the walls, and Wayne was like, just let's do it. Yeah. Also, big up to Alcor for these custom built windows and this custom built door, which just are the mwah of the room.
And guys, we have to make mention that all of these windows are manufactured locally here in Jamaica.
Yeah, which is
big up the Alcor team.
And which is why we could get exactly what we wanted. Like when we decided that window is going to be that size, that's what happened. I also have to big up our active family, because what is a room without all of these amazing finishing touches? And you guys saw us going to active day after day, trying to figure out which desk, which chair, which couch. And I have to say, our last visit to active, literally, Tami and Sue and Brittany sent us back home. You remember? Remember?
So
they were like, go back home and measure again. They were like, take out your tape, like actually tape out the area, because we almost went with a smaller couch. We almost went with smaller desks. And they were like, no, go home. This is a big deal. It's a space you're going to be in every day. And so I'm so grateful to them for that. Down to the rug. We had a different rug in mind, and last minute we said, you know what, let's go for this rug.
It's definitely a DIY pro tip when you're doing DIY home decor. Measure your thing then before you commit to buying these stuff, because trust me, when you can measure and say, oh, okay, fit the wall area, you know, don't just leave it to the random estimation in your head. You know how you remember the room.
It's so true. I have to make mention of our lamp over there as well, which is also made in Jamaica. We got that at Active as well. I had a whole different lamp, and when they told me that it was made in Jamaica, I was like, oh, we're switching lamps. We are getting that lamp, and I love it so much. It's so beautifully made. So yeah, I have to big up our Active family, who literally time after time, I tell people all the time, it's our one-stop shop where we just can literally find all of these beautiful pieces, pull them together, and just make it really feel like us. Not to mention that Active has become our meet and greet hub.
Every time we go to Active, we'll meet like some wonderful first cousin and supporters from all over the world, by the way.
True. And also, I have to give a big shout out to Selective Construction, who you guys know, we do all of our construction with them. Andrew and Junior, the whole team, they were just amazing. Mitch, who stayed here till all hours of the night, putting in these lights after we got them from Active. Making sure Moses, who did our drywall, Rowan with the painting, Wayne, Grumpy,
Mario,
Rajim, the whole team was amazing. So big up to Selective as well. Oh, and I have to big up Jono at Copycat, who got all our pictures printed. Thanks, Ash. I'll take you through everything in the vlogs to come. On my Instagram stories, I'm gonna be definitely kind of doing like a little room tour again too, if anybody's interested in all the little bits and bobs. But for now, I'm gonna sit and I'm gonna edit this video for you guys from my office, so you guys will be watching the first video ever edited in our home office, our new home office, because you don't want to see what our home office was like before.
Our home office is
I don't know if you could call it an office, but it certainly was a space that we worked out of, and this beats it by 100 miles. So I'm proud of us, honey. We're growing up. We're growing up.
The team is to don't stop dream.
The team is to don't stop dream.
The theme.
Oh, the theme.
Don't stop dream.
Don't stop dream. That is it, my guy. Wayne, show them that one picture I have over there. If I put this picture upon Wayne desk as a reminder. Could the people better together?